I'm here right now in H Mart. This is one of the biggest Korean supermarket and shop here in Mactan Island. And I want to show you around what are the sort of things that the Korean sells, because as you know, the Filipinos sometimes don't want to go into Korean, because one of the thing that we don't come here is we don't understand the writings of their product, because most of it are written in Korean language or Korean writing. So here you can see they got all the beauty products. What's that? Facial wash, toothbrush. Here is the bleach. I could tell by the way that the bottle is shaped. It's look like a bleach. Then you have all the cleaning products, and these are all the swimming gear. Maris Aquazone. And Koreans are known to be very particular with their appearance and their skincare and stuff. So you could imagine they got a lot of beauty products here made by Korea. Shower creams, hand soap, and here they even got juicers like this. All the other items. But what I've noticed in this mart, this H Mart, it's cheap here. Cheaper than some of the Korean shop in the city. Like packaging tapes. All brand new. They are not selling secondhand like those Korean surplus. This is different here. They're actually selling brand new items and products. So these are all the cooking items. Let me see how much is the pot. This is for frying pan. I'm using what's this? So they got a golden pot there. Attorney San is actually holding a golden pot for stove hobs, but you know, I'm using induction cooker for quick cooking. So dishwashing detergent, 1.2 liter at 179 pesos. Here's the fabric conditioner, 400 grams, 79 pesos. All sorts. I think my indication of what the item is like how it's packed, because you know, like there's similar packaging here in the Philippines. Oh, they have this local coconut oils. Perfect serum for what? Face wash. Perfume. Extra coconut oil. Hair dyes. There you can see the drinks. Soju at 125 pesos each. There's even 99 pesos each. So it is quite cheaper. There's the cheapest I've seen about the soju drink. Sweet soju at 77 pesos per bottle. There are all sorts here. And these are all the bottles of wine. Mostly Korean, but I've seen some of the imported ones. And they have it even here, the chilled ones. They have frozen food, but it seems like this middle freezer is not working. This is one of the biggest Korean shop here in Cebu. Frozen garlic, $1.99. Frozen garlic. All right. There's Gambas pizza, $4.79. All imported from Korea. The tteokbokki, the rice cake with that special sauce. I've heard about it from locals that, oh, that's very nice. And it is very nice. It's the sauce with the tteokbokki that makes it tasty. So you got all the frozen seafood from Korea.
Frozen fish.
The,
No? Grabe, no?
yes.
Look at this.
They are now copying that. Considers locals doing that now. Frozen fish. Because you know, here in the Philippines, you always buy it fresh from the market or dried fish, not frozen. And here you can see one box of 7 Kim seaweed, 790 pesos. And there, Koreans are also known for their love of spicy chili food. There's 14 kilos of chili paste. Pila na siya dong?
1,000 plus na siya, ma'am.
About over a grand pesos. But it's chili paste, no? Chili paste, 1 can. There's the people there. Hello. Kimchi. They're making kimchi.
And fish cake.
No, they're just kimchi. Kimchi, yolmol, young radish leaves kimchi, cut radish kimchi, and so they are training Filipinos to make their kimchi that you can buy fresh here in H Mart.
Oh my god.
What's that?
I love Korean.
You love Korean food? Saan siya?
It's fried rice now with crabs, with
Oh, fried rice. Frozen fried rice.
crabs. Why wait for my salary? I will grocery it. I'll buy first bread. We have a fish cake bar, oh.
Fish cake bar. Wait. The trouble is they don't have prices, so I cannot tell you the prices. You have to ask somebody for the
You
prices.
have to pay it directly to the cashier. But we also have Magnolia. They have
Filipino as well, because they are required by law to also carry Filipino if they open up a grocery shop here. Korean wheat beer, 135 each or 810 for a pack of 6. Kani unsa man nigo? Oh, the sliced porks and meat. Frozen pork, because they like their thin sliced porks. For the sangyupsal, you know, the Korean barbecue. That's 276 for serving. There's the barbecue there. Okay. So we got all this. And chili paste, that's local rice, hasponica. But look at all this chili paste, different sorts. Because more and more Korean food, Korean products is introduced here in the market. So there are Filipinos that's actually using this now as part of their everyday cooking. Let me see. This is the bean sprouts. Because I often use this. Oh, that's very dear. The local market's still good for the local products. All the chilies. The different mushrooms. So this is the thing. If you want to use local products or the fresh fruits and vegetables, it's still the cheapest place is Carbon Market. But this one is for the Korean products. If you are into Korean products, chili products, and you are living here in the Philippines or here in Mactan Island, Cebu, or even in Cebu, this is one of the biggest, well-stocked, and the cheapest. Buy one, take one. Chonggak kimchi, whole radish kimchi. So there's a lot of buy one, take one kimchi. Rice cake slice.
2-4.
Rice cake stick. That's the tubuki. Rice cake jonga. It's called jonga.
Yeah, look at their dried fish. Dried squid.
Mm.
It's packed so siya.
They even have there's the local items that they sell.
I think this is the jam. Mango jam.
Korean mango jam.
Or not?
That's Korean. Korean.
Apple? Apple jam?
Apple
I
jam.
think it's an apple jam.
So what I like is the pulpy aloe drinks like this. It's cheaper than the grocery. And this is ano sa ganun siya ga?
I think this is soya.
Soya drink. Light apple.
Pure apple.
The choco pie. 188 per box. So all the Korean snacks, chocolates, of course, the Korean dried noodles, which is very popular among the locals, especially the spicy ones like those shimramyum. Is the fresh kimbap. All the seaweeds. Easy breezy grocery shopping. And there beside it is the food court where you can buy Korean fast food. Ice creams. The first sandwich ice cream I've tasted, I have to be honest, is from Korea. And it's really good because we don't have that locally, the Korean sandwich ice cream. It's not available locally with local brands, so it has to be coming from abroad, and the first one I've tasted is Korean, and it was really nice. And they are also selling these fresh kimbabs that you can take out, or the Koma kimbabs. And then of course the Korean cigarettes and drinks, liquor. So this is the H Mart Asian Grocery. This is located here in Manuel L. Quezon Avenue here in Mactan. And it's there, you can see it's very good pension house, but you cannot miss it. It's right on the road. H Mart, the lowest price in Cebu in groceries, and also Korean fast food. So this is Korean groceries and Korean fast food area. It's called the H Mart Korean Groceries Wholesale Center and Retail.